napakalaking bagay na I don't have to work abroad anymore. I can spend time with my family.
What keeps me going is actually knowing that we have impacted so many families, but actually coming here, coming to the Philippines and seeing these people that they're not just names on the screens, there's actual people, actual lives we've been able to impact because we provided jobs, we provided security, we make sure that people actually go out, have good lives, buy houses, buy cars.
Virtudesk is my second home. I work with random people, I work with friends, and I consider family. I can say that working with Virtudesk is a blessing in disguise and definitely worth it.
I can say it's because of the people, because we're hiring great people and we're having very, very good people who has the same goals, same ambition, and same things that we are having as of this time, and that is to build this family, build this community, and definitely nurture the talents that we have here in Virtudesk. Hi, my name is Fatima Patricia Pablo and I am the Director of Operations of Virtudesk. And I've been with the company since 2016. So basically, I was the one who started everything from the bottom. And I'm very, very happy and very, very proud. From 3 VAs, now we are over 100 VAs from all over the Philippines. And I'm very, very honored to say that Virtudesk is going strong and will be stronger for the next coming years.
Working at Virtudesk, it has been a blessing for me. In spite of my physical challenges, I've seen diversity in the company.
Virtudesk is for everyone, for everybody. So basically, we have senior citizens, we also have PWDs. We are very open to LGBTQ community, fresh graduates with or without experience.
I'm happy to be a part of Virtudesk and I'm happy to be a part of the best.
One of the best reasons why I love working with Virtudesk is because the equality, the inclusivity that they are giving to their employees. It's just perfect.
Here with Virtudesk, I feel loved and accepted. So I'd really like to thank Virtudesk for accepting who I really am.
Ever since when I started my journey with other companies, it's one of the greatest fear that I have, not to feel included. But with Virtudesk, having the type of family that I have with them, I felt inclusivity, diversity, and I felt like I was generally at home. I did not feel any discrimination, so I'm really happy that I get to have this type of family with Virtudesk.
Working with Virtudesk gave me an opportunity not just to be with my son, but also to give all what he needs, especially when it comes to education and also celebrating all the milestones.
The success is not for me, but seeing the people around me achieving their goals. That's it. That's really my success. But you know, giving them or having them what they want, providing the needs of their family, that's really what I am ambitioning and, you know, hopefully praying to God that few more years it will double, triple, and maybe, who knows, we can expand more, not just in the US, but also all over the world.
The company's been around since 2016. It primarily started in the real estate industry. Pavel Stepanov, CEO, previously was a real estate agent. He also was the owner of his own brokerage. And what he found in his time that there's a very large need for virtual assistants. A lot of real estate agents, people don't understand, they are independent business owners. They have a lot of additional tasks that really need help, and they need good quality individuals working with them. They need the talent. Over the years, Virtudesk has evolved to not just working with real estate, but also working in all industries. We've also extended in not only the virtual assistant space, but also the call center space and management solutions such as time tracker, and we've also offered a VoIP dialer as well.
There have been career advancement. This is where I've grown as a VA, as a coach, as a senior team lead, and as a cluster head. There definitely is growth within the company. As you can see, you're able to save time and money, and you don't have to, wake up early just to travel to your office. You just have to wake up a few minutes before your shift and voila, you're there. Just make sure that you're ready and you give your support and you have the integrity to work and you're focused and you're passionate with your work.
When we say we want to work from home, most of the people that are transitioning from, let's say, a corporate job would say that it's because of the traffic, it's because of the incentives. But I believe it's more of how you will be able to find really the passion in your niche in this specific virtual assistant career, because when you do work for a client, you'll be able to find out what's your best suit, how you will be able to also develop yourself while you are helping the clients.
May question na what makes Virtudesk successful? Yun yung tanong sa akin. At sa totoo lang, na paano ko na hindi ako nahirapan na sagutin what makes Virtudesk successful, because it's basically every one of you here. It's the people, it's our family, it's culture.
I couldn't imagine my life without Virtudesk. During the pandemic, Virtudesk saved me and my family. It was very hard at that time, but because of course, I wanted to survive. That is why I looked for another job. So I applied online, and luckily Virtudesk hired me. That's why I'm very thankful to Virtudesk.
I think important talaga na mag-grow ka, not just an employee or virtual assistant, but as a person. And also, I've learned so much, not just from my clients, but also from the people here. Isa yun sa mga bagay na tinitreasure ko when I started working here sa Virtudesk.
So basically here in Virtudesk, it's not just work-life balance, but we offer definitely incentives, retirement benefits, sick leaves, PTOs, HMOs, and right now we're planning to have international trips. So hopefully, Pavel, watch out.
At the same time, a message is going to be to all the VAs that the best is yet to come. We're always working on improving our services, our approach, and making sure that VAs' lives are being improved daily. So a lot of things are being done on this juncture, and we're proud to be at this place here right now. We're not perfect, nobody's perfect. We are trying to at least be the best as we can be. I know sometimes the requirements can be strict, sometimes it can be hard, but at the same time, we are there to make sure that you succeed as a virtual assistant or as a call center agent, and we're making sure that your future is protected with us.